In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ClickFunnels from your URL. This guide is perfect for those looking to establish a more professional online presence by using a custom domain rather than the default ClickFunnels one. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your workspace settings within ClickFunnels. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Domains. This is where you'll manage all your domain-related settings and make the necessary changes to connect your custom domain. The aim here is to replace ClickFunnels' default domain with one that represents your brand or business more accurately. Click on the option to either add new domain or connect existing domain. You should make this choice based on whether you already own a domain or you need to secure a new one. If you're connecting a domain you already own, you'll need to enter your custom domain or a subdomain. For example, you might use something like funnels.yourdomain.com. This step is crucial as it ensures your audience sees a consistent, branded URL that's uniquely yours. Now, this task involves setting up DNS, or Domain Name System, which is necessary for your domain to point to ClickFunnels. Don't worry if this sounds technical. ClickFunnels will guide you with prompts throughout this process. You might encounter an automated setup, which generally handles the configurations for you, or you might need to manually adjust settings. It's important to follow these instructions closely, as they will align your domain with your ClickFunnels account properly. Next, it's time to navigate to the specific funnel you want to associate with your custom domain. ClickFunnels makes this easy by organizing your funnels in one convenient location. Once you've navigated to the desired funnel, click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol. Now, take a look at the Domain drop-down menu. Here, you'll select your newly connected custom domain. By doing this, you are effectively changing the default ClickFunnels URL to your personalized domain. This is a significant step as it tells ClickFunnels where to direct visitors when they arrive at your custom domain. After choosing the domain, it's also essential to define the funnel path URL. This is the specific extension or path that follows your domain, such as offer or simply a / if you want to use the root of the domain. The funnel path serves as the gateway to your funnel and should be something relevant to what visitors can expect on that page. Finally, remember to click on Update Funnel to save your changes. This ensures that all the adjustments you've made are locked in and will take effect. By following these steps, you're now seamlessly integrating a professional, custom domain into your ClickFunnels setup, enhancing both your branding and user experience. That's it. You've successfully removed ClickFunnels from your URL, making it clean and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.